Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Task Manager right now. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC and go straight to the Details tab. You want per process controls, so run Task Manager as administrator if prompts require elevation. Once done, sort by CPU or memory to see the heaviest apps first. This tells you which processes to prioritize. Make sure to note process names and PID values before ending anything. This setup avoids accidental closures and gives you the context needed to make safe prioritization decisions. Now you adjust priority and CPU affinity to influence how the OS schedules each app. Right-click the target process, choose Set Priority, select High for responsiveness or Low for background tasks, avoid real-time for unknown apps. Then choose Set Affinity to restrict or dedicate CPU cores, which reduces contention for critical apps. Once configured, observe CPU, disk, and UI responsiveness for several minutes. If lag appears, revert changes. This method balances resources and prevents one app from starving others during heavy workloads. Finish by testing your prioritized setup under realistic load and save any configuration notes so you can reapply them. If an app becomes unstable or crashes, undo the priority and affinity changes right away. Instability indicates the process cannot handle altered scheduling. If problems persist, open Resource Monitor or the Performance tab to find I/O or thread bottlenecks. One key troubleshooting tip: if the system becomes unresponsive, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del and use Task Manager to kill the offending process or sign out to restore normal scheduling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.